Hi everyone, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Today you're joined by my Audi A1, but it's probably going to be one of the last times you'll see that car because after nearly 2.5 years of ownership, it's time to say goodbye. Now in the 2.5 years which I've owned the car, I've done just over 23,000 miles, and for a first car, I think that's quite a lot. But honestly, I have loved every single mile. I don't know why, but when the A1 first came out in like 2010 or something, I just fell in love with it, and since then I've always dreamt of having one as my first car. And to look back and say that I've done that, I've achieved that, is pretty damn awesome. Now me being an absolutely massive petrol head, I always knew that when I was going to get my first car, I wasn't going to keep it standard. And with the A1, I launched a Project A1 YouTube series, which was essentially a series of me documenting all the subtle modifications I did to my car, some of which you can probably see right now. But again, that was a dream of mine, because then again, I've been doing YouTube now for probably going on 5 years, but more seriously in the last 2. And looking back at this right now, it is kind of surreal. Now before I go on and explain to you the reasons for selling the car, let me just show you a little compilation I've made which kind of puts together all the best bits of the ownership of this thing. Oh my god! P1 LM! So this is happening. As you can probably imagine, I'm very excited. This is my first time driving it actually. And yeah. Come on, get to 100. Come on. Come on. Yes. Test, test, test. Oh dear God. How on earth am I going to do this? I've been stuck behind worse things, I must say. That just definitely wasn't any louder, was it? Oh my god, it's P1. Oh my god, it's P1. What the hell? It's P1. What do I do? I don't know what to do. I'm just having a drink. This is so random. Oh my god, it matches! Oh look, there's another A1. Haha! Mine's louder than yours! Right. Now that we're out of that situation, let me come and show you how deep this is. Like, over, oh Christ. Hey! Woohoo! Bam. That is sick. Yank the handbrake. Oh my god, this is so fun. 50. 60, I think. Sorry. What am I doing? 9? He's going to whip it round and accelerate away. There we go. He's getting the hang of this now. Oh wait, look at this. I'm going to drive through the snowbank. Ah! Yank the handbrake up, and we're good. So there we go then. By the time this video goes online, this thing will be advertised for sale. But I'll leave my email address on the screen now if you guys want to get in touch, because this car is for sale. So do drop me an email if you want it. Now before I end today's video, I want to run through kind of the main reasons of me selling my car. I think the biggest one is the restrictions I have. Now this thing is only a 1.4 litre, which is pushing probably going on 130 brake, which really isn't that much at all. And because it's a 1.4 litre, you really are restricted quite a lot with what you can do power-wise, because it's quite a weak block, and if you put too much power into it, it will go bang. So I'd rather sink my money into something which is a bit quicker off the production line, if that makes sense. And that way it's going to be a little bit more exciting. And the second reason is because I've had my eye on something for quite a while now, and the want is getting more and more each day, and it is getting a little uncontrollable now. So that does mean that I'm gonna have to get rid of my A1, but it's gonna be sad to see it go. I've got a lot of memories with that car. It's my first car. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff with it, but I am just glad that I've kind of documented it through these videos. But yeah, I think that's all I need to say right now. Obviously, this process is not gonna be very instant. It's gonna take a while for me to sell that, look for a replacement, and sort everything out before I can kind of reveal it as you do. But if you did enjoy the video, then please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you are subscribed to see the replacement as soon as it goes live, because my oh my, I am very, very excited.